Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q, you know who, and I am back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking with me today. So I got a quick install, easy install video for y'all. Nothing new, nothing about to break the internet. This actually has been done quite a bit. I actually decided to just go ahead and do it to my truck. I almost didn't make this video, but like, you know what, hey, it might help somebody out there. So as you know, on the F-150, your back passenger seat comes with the strap over there. And actually, let me just show y'all with the power of YouTube, we'll be over there like that. Boom, now we're on the passenger side. So your passenger seat comes with this little strap right here. Basically what that does is allow the seat to fold down to access your car jack kit. Now, for whatever reason, Ford decided not to put one over on the driver's side. So what I'm gonna install today is actually the 7 Sparta real release seat. And super easy install. I'll go ahead and show you. I already opened it to see what's in here. I only come with 2 pieces. You got the strap here and you got your bracket. And basically you're gonna install this back here. So basically the same function on that side, you're gonna now have one on this side. You can't get back here by just sticking your hand here. There's a latch back here you need to access. So the way to do it, you can't just do it like this. So you actually, the best way to do it is to lift your rear seat up like this. So what that does now is create some space. And I'll show y'all one more time so y'all can see. So watch the back as I lift the front up. See how it comes up? Boom. There's a latch back there. I'm gonna show y'all. As you can see right there, thank you, there's a latch. This thingy right here. Oh no. So, crap, I just dropped my phone. All right, there's a latch right there. It's that silver top one. So let me try this again without dropping my phone. It's that one right here, the first one. So the only thing you have to do is take it and simply pull up with your finger, which is what I'm gonna do now. Sorry guys, I can't show y'all. All right guys, so here's your latch, what I was referring to right here. And here is your mechanism. This is the screw right here I was talking about. You have to lift up on right there. Just lift up on there and then release it. These are 2 T30 screws you have to take off. 1, 2. Yeah, that's it. Note when you're putting this back, this thing is meant to move up and down. What happens is a lot of people, when they finish, they just put this back up like this. It won't latch because it's still in the same position as to when this was up. So when you put it back, leave it right here and just lift them both back up at the same time. Because if you just do this one, it changes the position of that latch. It's actually it should be latching down here when you're just moving this seat. But when you're moving both of them, it latches up top. Just Q-tip. All right, guys. So now we're just gonna go ahead and loosen it. And I don't know about you all, but mine's was in there pretty darn good. But again, I'm using the T30 here. Be careful. I heard a lot of people actually lose their screws down in like this upholstery stuff down here. So be careful when you're doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take both of them out here in a second and I'll show y'all. Go ahead and just take this out. Boom. Put it there. Now, your bracket should just come off. Now notice there, that little hanging piece right there kind of slots down this hole here. Take your brackets. I'm trying to do this as one hand, guys. So if I can do this as one hand, you should be fine. Here, you're gonna go ahead and set this up. They recommend leaving this ridge part facing towards the back of the truck. So I'm gonna slide this through here, like this. Boom, bring that through. Actually, see how it catches right there? So it's a good thing that this won't come back through. So you'll stay put. All right, now, so you're gonna take your Spartan one and you're gonna just slide this over. And before you do that, go ahead and put that little notch in there and this slides over like that. So now I got some little play right here. This is on that. My holes are lined up. So not sure if y'all can see that, but that's how it's gonna look. Just like that, something like that. So you got your little latch here, right there, boom. Now you're just gonna take it, put it back here, and then you're just gonna retighten and do all your steps over, and then we'll test it out. All right guys, so I got it all wired. What I recommend before tightening these down, just go ahead and test it out. So I got it here, just go ahead and give it a little pull. Boom, it releases. So test it out, you just basically take this right here, you just push this back down, you see how it release? Just test it again. Boom, yep, working like a charm. I'm gonna leave that open now, go ahead and tighten my screws back down, and that should be it. Really quick guys, I wanna show y'all, so if you ever thought about mounting your stereo behind the seat, I just wanna show y'all what it looks like back here. You see these 2 big screws right there and right there? Boom, that one. They sit kind of high, so if you ever want to put a system back there, you might have to trim it down, or somebody else said get a piece of plywood and put the plywood on top of those screws so you can mount it. Because what I try to do, the system wouldn't fit because of these screws right here. It wouldn't fit flush. And also you're gonna have to take out this, cut this out here, some of this insulation out, it just take a knife or something. Yeah, it's a lot of room back here, man. As you can see, definitely can fit a system, a subwoofer, maybe a 10 or 8 slim box back there. So if you ever want to know what it looks like back there, that's what it looks like. We got everything all situated here. So now we just go ahead and flip it back up. You should hear it click. Boom, click. So now we're gonna let our seat down. Boom, just like that. So now guess what? We just go ahead, we wanna get back there, pull, boom, comes down. Now look, see what I was talking about? Now look where my latch is, down here to the bottom. I don't have to worry about that anymore. Should clip, boom, yep, it's stuck. As you can see, again, just wanna pull my latch, bam. Now, back, one more time. Yep, that's how it works, man. Your latch stays right up there. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. There it is, right there. Just like over there on the passenger side. I hope you all could see that. Apologize, I thought I had good lighting, but shadow was blocking the light of video. But it's super easy to install, man. It takes you about 5 minutes. This 7 Sparta I got from Amazon, excuse me, for about $17. I think the other company who first invented this stuff, that's for like 30, something like that, or 20 to $30. So this is half the price and does a great job. I'll link it below. Definitely worth it if you ever want to access your back rig cabin. That's all I got. Yep, that's all I got. Thank you for watching. Peace.
If you're looking for